Hey, welcome back. What is this, like part 6 of the review? Unboxing review? So they're saying this is supposed to turn and flip around. I think what they meant is it's supposed to go like this. Because what they're talking about does not make any sense in here. Because they still have the feet pointing with the small feet forward. And they're like the bots are supposed to go around and flip over and stuff. And that, I don't know, because there is no transformation thing over here to spin around. So whoever did that is a freaking moron idiot, because it does not do that. Unless you, it does it this way, which makes sense, but they're telling you not to do it. If you flip it around this way, it kind of makes sense, but in the instructions they're telling you not to do it. They're telling you to do it that way. So I really have no idea what the heck they're talking about, because it looks stupid. So I'm just going to try my little theory out here and see if, yeah, my theory actually works. Their theory does not. So that's how I'm doing it, because from what they're telling you, it does not make sense. And then of course it's going to pop open. So yeah, I can already feel the stupid little stickers coming off and not tearing, but just coming off. They're kind of stupid. So yeah, they say make it kind of boxy, and then fold up the legs, flip in the feet, fold up the feet, and then turn it around. So apparently we're supposed to flip up the legs, which is supposed to tab into itself somehow. But I can see the tabs, but the legs just don't really want to go ahead and tab into itself. I wouldn't either if I was like this. And then flip up the feet, tab the feet into tabs here. Sorry I'm doing a little off camera, but yeah, it's the Hasbro, so they get one thing to act right, everything else to be pretty much garbage. Come on, what, you stupid piece of garbage. And it looks like it is supposed to go this way, but apparently the tabs do not want to tab in because the feet do not want to go into each other. So, the feet and the turret does not want to stay put together at all. I guess I got it in, and they're saying leave it like this, a complete hot mess. Whew. That was a long time just to do the freaking little turret. As you can tell, it's already peeling right there. So yeah, Hasbro, I know the stickers are nice and shiny, but F the shiny stickers and go is like just weather painted plastic. That's your best thing that you have going for you so far. Now we get on to this hot mess here, which I guess these are supposed to be, I don't know, his feet. I guess apparently you are transforming into car mode. So looks like you take the feet and you spread them like this out. Then you flip it. What? Okay. Remember, we are dealing with Hasbro instructions here, which is not the greatest and best thing, so. Just saying, the wheels go in the back, so they turn around like